Hello, my friends. I'm Rocky Outcrop. Here's Bitcoin technical analysis. You better stop singing, Rocky. You're horrible. Bidum bum bum. Yeah, I can't sing. Bitcoin technical analysis, Ichimoku Cloud. Here we go. Looking up there, you'll see that we're actually kind of at a point where we've got a little bit of resistance on the cloud, pulled back down to the baseline, the conversion line at the minute, consolidating at an area of support. The question being, if we were to drop down to prices like 45,000. If we were to drop down to prices like 45,000, what would be kind of, anticipating? I think it's probably wise, by the way, to point out here that we came up to 48,000 and then did indeed drop back down to 45,500. That is the buy price. I'm looking personally for this to have been the low and for us to continue on up the way. But what would you be looking for if it were to drop? Well, perhaps we'd come down and test the cloud. And that's kind of already what's happened here as into this little basin. This little basin having been formed by, of course, the previous price action over towards the left there, and finding that 45,500 support. We're at the point here where we've just had a negative cross on the Ichimoku Cloud and this consolidation just at that area of resistance. So, kind of wondering, could we come back down and test this again? Personally, I'm going to anticipate the potential for further discounts while I remain bullish on this one overall. I wouldn't be surprised to see this come and have another test of it, but right now, like in terms of like the here and now, the short-term time frame stuff, then yeah, cool. Like here's the 30 minutes. It's just showing us that we're going sideways. It's really no big shakes to be saying that you could have another test. Like you see the highs up there and the lows, the whole range displayed on this 30-minute time frame, saying that it could go either direction, and essentially we're round about roughly in the middle of it. We're not right this second in terms of where the Ichimoku Cloud is, but you can see that the actual bodies that's closing here on this particular period right now is just at this area, which is defined as is essentially with the 50% between the highs and the lows, really. So that's where we're looking at on this bad boy. Can we take it up higher? There's some consolidation for us. What do we really want to point out in terms of this thing? Well, basically you're trading this between 45,500 and 48,000 at the minute. If you are looking for the 50,000s and you're looking beyond 48,000, you're talking about 48,800, 49,000, etc. for 4-hour closers and above. If you're seeing it closing below that and you're not trading between that range, then I don't know what to tell you, because I just told you that. Skip back 10 seconds, listen to it again twice. That's your video for Bitcoin. See you next time. My name's Rocky Outcrop. Come back again. Basically everything in between was just like me really building up to saying that to you, because we do good TA on the channel and it's a good laugh. I mean, look, okay, right, so what else do you want to have in here? Yeah, sideways, right? We're accumulating or are we distributing? Who knows? We got a diminishing on the distributing. That's why I'm looking at this diminishment here and saying brilliant, the sort of head and shoulders type aspect in at this low here as well. Brilliant, great, good stuff. All of that across all of the oscillators down below. I am looking for continuation on the 4-hour time frame, etc. towards the top side, but we could easily see that. I would be happy enough to manage my risk at the minute at 45,500. What more do you want? Just kidding. See you next time. Do tune in.